Guys, welcome to my channel. In my today video I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet a seamless granny square. So let me go straight to the point. The most important things that tools that you need to use: your hook, your yarn, scissors, and your needle. So here is my hook. I'm using the hook 3.5 millimeters, guys, and here is my yarn. I'm using the Mark Bonbon, the big grains. So I'm going to start with a knot. You tie a magic knot like this, then you put your hook in between the magic knot, then you bring out your yarn and you crochet 4 chain like this. So back to the knot where you begin, you make a slim stitch like this. Then from here you make 3 chain. These 3 chains, they are representing 1 double crochet. So inside your magic knot, guys, the first thing you have to do is you crochet your 2 double crochet. When you crochet the 2 double crochet plus the chain, you are going to be having 3. The chain is representing 1 double crochet. So the next thing you do is you make your 2 chain, then back to the same hole you crochet 3 double crochet. So this is the first, the second, and the third. Then you crochet 2 chain, back to the same hole again, you crochet 3 double crochet. Then you make 2 chain, back to the same hole, you crochet another 3 double crochet, all together making the total of 12 double crochet, guys. But you are crocheting it 3 double crochet and making a chain. After every 3 double crochet you make a chain, so you have to have your total of 12 double crochet. Then you make a slim stitch when you are having all together 12 double crochet and 4 3 double crochet. That's 1 2 3 and 4. So the next thing that you are going to do, guys, is you make a chain from where you stop here. So each chain is each 3 chain is representing 1 double crochet. So on top of this place I'm going to make sure I crochet 7 double crochet. So I make this my first chain, making this my second double crochet, third, fourth, fifth, the 6th and the 7th. I'm going to put it inside this hole. Then I'll crochet 2 chain, then back to the same hole I'll start with my 2 double crochet. Then after that I'll continue 3 4 5 6 and 7. So I crochet 2 chain, back to the same hole, guys. I start with 2 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So I crochet 2 chain, back to the same hole. I start with the 2 double crochet, guys. Three, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I'm going to make 2 chain, then I'll close my work here. So that's the beginning of my work. So here are my 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll begin from here. So on top of this place that I'm going to crochet, I'm going to make sure the same stitches that I'm going to crochet here, I'm going to crochet the same stitches all around. So from here I'll start. I'm going to crochet here. I'm having 7, 7. So on top of this row now, I'm going to add more 3 so that it will be 10, 10. So I'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then I put 2 here, 9 and 10. So I make 2 chain. I start my 2 from here, the whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the 2 I put it here, 9 and 10. So I crochet 2 chain and I begin the first 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I make 2 chain, back to the same hole. I start with the first 2, then I continue 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So when I arrive here, I make my 2 chain, guys, then I close my work here. So that's it. That's how I continue. So now I'm going to go to the next row. So on this next row, guys, I'll make my chain like this, then I'll bring my work back into this hole and I'll start from here. I'll start from here. So I'll crochet my first 2 here. So that's my 2. So on top of this next hole that I have to work, guys, I have to work on 15 15 double crochet on each. So this my first two, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I put my 14 and my 15 here, guys. So I'm going to make 2 chain, then back to the same hole. I'll crochet. I'll start with my 2 from here. So I'll be going 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So I'll make 2 chain and back to the same hole. I start with my 2 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So my last 2 here, 14 and 15. So I make 2 chain, back to the same hole. I start with the 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So I make my 2 chain, then I make a slim stitch here, guys, and I close my work here. So right now I'm going to make the chain, then I come back on this hole behind now, and I'll crochet 2 double crochet. So I start with 3 chain in the hole, 2. So here on this row I've worked on 15 15, guys. So this last row that I'm going to work on, I'm going to make sure that each row is having 20 20 20, each side 20 20. So I start from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Then here I put 2 double crochets, 19 and 20. So I make 2 chain and I begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then in between here I finish 19 and 20. So I make my 2 chain, back to the same hole. I start with my 2 double crochet, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19 and 20. So I make 2 chain, then back to the same hole. I start again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, guys. I make 2 chain, then I close on top here, make a slim stitch. So here I go. So that's my granny square. So right now I'm going to cut my yarn. Then I'm going to sew it inside. Use my needle and I'll sew it like this, guys. And this other first yarn that I begin, I'll also sew it in to make my work neat. So I sew it in like that, then I cut. So guys, here I go. So here is my crochet seamless granny square. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, guys. Thank you all for watching.